Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. In today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see this picture, you can see the table and this tree and the lamps and all beautiful lamps and all beautiful decoration in white color theme, looking very good. Very good decoration and design, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the red color chair and all, and the pillows, you can see beautiful pillows and all. Very good decoration, looking very beautiful. Very good ideas and things, very beautiful. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the bed, you can see the down, you can see sitting place area where you can sit and all beautiful place, looking very beautiful. You can see the good decoration and design. And this also you can see the purple color room decoration, everything is in purple color, very beautiful, looking very beautiful and attractive. You can see the lamp also, this also very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration, flowers and all, big gold circle, beautiful. The bed also very beautiful, everything is very beautiful, the cotton and all, very good decoration. So also you can see the wall the wall in red color wall, the table you can see the red color rose and all, beautiful decoration and all, very good also. It's also very beautiful. You can see the glass and all. Inside the glass you can see beautiful place, flowers and all, very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very attractive, also looking very good. So also you can see very beautiful. You can see the laptop, you can see the mirror, you can see very beautiful, looking very good and decoration and design. This also you can see the blue color bed and all, bed decoration, beautiful bed decoration, looking very good and attractive. And this also you can see the red color the red color floor and all, beautiful, very beautiful decoration and design. You can see this also very beautiful in blue color, very beautiful. You can see the cotton and all, everything is very beautiful, looking very good. And this also you can see very beautiful. You can see the LED lights and all, beautiful lights and all, and the opposite you can see very beautiful. This also you can see the blue color lights and all, you can see, and the lights, LED lights also very beautiful, looking very good, very attractive. So you can see the small plants and the lights, the flowers and all, you can see beautiful, very good. This one you can see the table where you can use any laptop or teach someone, beautiful decoration, you can see very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bulbs and the laptop, you can see the bed, you can see beautiful decoration and all, very good. This one also very, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care of your health.